will she love me now? With my feathers crimson bright, black mask and orange bill, her brownish plumage my delight, she'll love me through winter's chill. Red bird, oh red bird, sitting in a holly tree. Red bird, oh red bird, it's serial monogamy. I court her with fat berries, pass to her from my bill. We'll raise our offspring fairly, our nest 3 fledglings fill. Red bird, oh red bird, perched up in an oak. Red bird, oh red bird, wit wit, oh yes I spoke. My 50-acre home range is shelter from all fears. Our forage monthly, it does change, bugs, berry seeds all appear. Red bird, oh red bird, sitting in the pine. Red bird, oh red bird, my crest a ruby sign. I live on woodland borders, near forest fields and hills, 9 inches long, 2 ounces fat, and 15 years I'll fill. Red bird, oh red bird, atop a hickory. Red bird, oh red bird, it's home I like to be. We'll guard our nest from hawks and jays, crows and chipmunks too. They'll eat our eggs and babies, our vigilance ensues. Red bird, oh red bird, flashing through the trees. Red bird, oh red bird, a scarlet trail you weave. Red bird, oh red bird, you have such cheering ways. With jolly call and bobbing tail, bring brightness to our day.